Teja. My team is Byte Brigade. Our teammates are Sai and Roshan Kumar. Our project is to create a Fitbit landing page. I am doing this project in Visual Studio Code using HTML and CSS. Now I am going to show the original Fitbit page which we are going to replicate it. This is the Fitbit landing page which we are going to replicate in Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to show how to create HTML and CSS files for making this project. Let us open Visual Studio Code first. Create a new folder. Let it be named as Fitbit landing page. Create, open. Now start creating HTML files. Index.html. In HTML now open. Okay, start. Now we're going to start the work. And this is the document HTML. We are using HTML file. Let change the title of the document to Fitbit page, and we gonna link CSS file here. For that, using link index.css. We have done linking the CSS here. Now if we see here, we have some icons like user login and cart icons. It is in navbar. Let's start with this header. For that, I'm using header in body. In header, I am using para for this text. If we see here, we have free accessory add sends to our some content. Okay, let's see what happened in the site. I'm opening with live server. You can see some text is there, what we have typed here. If you see here, you have some shop now with pink color text and arrow mark. Okay, for that icon I am using Font Awesome in Google Chrome. Okay, open Font Awesome. Click here, Font Awesome libraries. Copy this first link and paste here. And now go for Font Awesome libraries. This is the site you can where you can find 26,000 icons what you required. am using another para. So that it will come in the next line. Okay, let me minimize this window so that you can see. Let it be capitalized. So I want this shop now as a text. Here it is a text, so I need it in a link. So I am putting anchor element here. And as I said, in font awesome you can find some icons. I am fine. I need a arrow mark symbol where to keep here shop now. Like take any one arrow and copy the code here and paste here. See a arrow mark we have got here. Now coming to the navigation bar, we have some Fitbit products, technology, premium by Google, and some content. Let's create that using now. Start taking an order list, inserting an image in a list. And list, say I need this must be a clickable. So I'm using again anchor element here, products. And I'm using a span element for this Google and these icons. Okay, I need a user button and a cart. Copy this, paste here, in a cart, copy this and paste here. Let me show you the output. Yeah. This was the output, and again coming to the code. Okay. Now let's style this header and navigation bar. For that, in index.css we need to style that. For all these elements I am keeping margin and padding as 0. Coming to the body, I am using font family as Arial, okay, and color black. Okay, coming to header, background color see, here there is some thick blue color, so the I am typing the code start 1 3 2 F4 3. Okay, let us see the color. Header, see how you are seeing some color. And we need to style that header. Text align to center, height 50 pixel, padding 20 pixel and 0. Let's see what happened. See, it's aligned center, and for this element we need to give the color to deep pink. So for that, here we have used header in header anchor element. So we need to style this anchor element now. For that, header A, color to deep pink, and text decoration to none, so that no line will be there, and it is a clickable link. Now we need to style this navigation bar. I have imported some Fitbit logos and Google icon, so now I am going to import that files in our HTML. So that you can access this Google and Fitbit logo here. If you see, Fitbit logo came here, and we need to insert Google also. So now we need to arrange these elements in a navigation bar so that it will look like this. Okay, so that for that we need to style navigation bar. Background color to black, overflow hidden, so that it will in case of overflow it will hide. And in navigation we need to style for elements float to left, display block, color to hashtag F2, text align to center and padding 1.5 pixel, text decoration to none, font size to 17 pixel, border bottom to 3 pixel, solid transparent. Now we need to adjust these images so that it will come into a line. Border bottom again 3 pixel, solid hashtag 132 F4 3, navi.active, border bottom 3 pixel, solid 132 F4 3. And now we need to style these unordered list items. nav ul background color to black, list style to none, display flex and padding to 10 pixel. Let's see what happens. Now we need to arrange these products, technologies, premiums, and these are not unordered lists, these are the lists, so we need to style the list now. We are styling the Google image, so we are using UL. In UL we have used span and in span for that image. Margin left be 700 pixel, margin right need to be 30 pixel, text align to center. Let's see what happened. See, you have seen that this all in some order. Now we need to style again this. Margin top to 15 pixel, margin right to 30 pixel, and then text align to center. And nav ul text decoration and color to black. See how this all in order. see, now we need to come to this section. For that I am going to create a section. Giving ID to section, let it name as quiz. A class to division, let it name as container. Para, find the products. That's right for you. Let's see what happened. Yeah, find the product, that's right for you. And if you see here, we have a take the quiz button. Now I am using button for take the quiz. We need to now, if you see here, these are some watches, so that now we gonna add this watch here. For that I am using another section, naming the section as watch. Image, let me bring back my image. Let me add image here. This is the image. How we need to adjust this image according to our site. I'm styling here only. Height of the image be 60% and width to 100%, so that it will adjust in all screens. Okay, we have done the job successfully. Now we need to add one more text and some footer, so that I'm creating one more section here and naming this section as features, and creating a division, naming the division as class. We think you will love these products. Now let me add a footer section also, so that our HTML part gonna complete. Division, and giving this footer class to container. Here if you see, looking for something different and a button of retaking the quiz, so we need to add looking for something different and a button. Retake the quiz. Now we have created a header, navigation bar, and a body containing some text, and a button, an image, and text, and some footer. So now we gonna style this section and this image background and this footer. Coming to the CSS part, we have style till the navigation bar. Now we gonna style our quiz section. For that I'm taking for class IDs we need to take quiz, background color, comma 188, comma 196, padding to 30 pixel and 0, font size to 50 pixel, text align to center, and the color to 132 F4 3. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's great. We need to style this watch image also, and we are giving background color same here. See, we need to style this quiz and this another section containing some text and this footer. Now let me style the quiz section containing button, margin left to 30 pixel, background color 132 same what we have given here, background color, this is not okay, this is not a background color, actually we need to copy this background color, and here border color same as here. Border color, background color, and text decoration to none, border radius to 4 pixel, height to 50 pixel, width to 150 pixel, display inline block, padding to 10 pixel, and some transition for the anime overing effects, transition duration to 0.4 seconds. Let us now we whenever we hover this button we need to see the change. For that we need to style for hovering. So again taking the same quiz button and hover. When we are hovering the button, the background color change to and box shadow 0 12 pixel 16 pixel 0 RGBA of 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.24 0 17 pixel 50 pixel 0 RGBA to 0 comma 0 comma 0.19. See, when you are hovering, you can see the change with a duration of 0.4 seconds. Now let's style this section. Again, background color to same. And padding 30 pixel and 0. Font size 250 pixel and text align to center and color to white. Let's see what happens. Yeah. And now we need to style this footer section also. Now we're gonna style the footer section. Background color to RGB of 248 245 245 and giving text color padding 10 pixel and 0 text align to center. For styling the footer para, font size 220 pixel, and for the footer button we are doing the style footer P button, and we are doing the same styles what we have done for this button. So just I'm copy pasting this button styling and giving the hovering effects. Footer P button hover. And changing this to footer P button hover. See, whenever we hover this button, you're gonna see the change. And yeah. Yeah, that's the guys. This was the page what we have replicated. Yeah, I know there is arrow missing here. We need to get back to the arrow. Yeah, see. Again we need to style this arrow now. Okay, let me open the file and folder Fitbit page. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Let me open the file again. Open for Fitbit page. Yeah, let me open. Yeah. So let me change here the title. Yeah, it's loading, guys. Yeah. We are missing the cart icon here. Yeah, we need to see some hover effects here when we hover the icons. Let me style that. Yeah, that's the code, guys. Let me once again explain you the code. This is the document HTML giving header, and this is the navigation bar containing logo and products and some Google and some user icons, and this is the section containing some text and image, and another section containing text and a footer, and these are the styles done to the HTML Fitbit page, and overall this was the output, guys. Yeah, that's it, huh? So we will link the shop now. To me do a small change. Not necessary, we can even link or not, it's not an issue. Yeah, overall this was the page what I have replicated from this Fitbit page. Let to actually we have changed the image about these watches, but yeah, overall it's same. Thank you guys for watching this video.